Hooks are the feature that turned Claude Code from a chat tool into an actual automation system for me.
In 4 minutes I will show you how to make Claude run linters automatically, block dangerous commands, and log everything it does. A hook is a shell command that fires when Claude Code is about to do something or has just done something. There are several trigger events, but the two most useful are PreToolUse and PostToolUse. PreToolUse runs before Claude executes a tool call. You can approve, deny, or modify what happens.
PostToolUse runs after. You can react to the result. Here is the shortest useful hook. When Claude uses the bash tool, a PreToolUse hook checks whether the command contains rm-rf. If it does, the hook blocks the call and asks the user to confirm. 20 lines of shell script, and you have added a safety net that catches destructive commands before they run. Set a PostToolUse hook on the edit tool that runs your formatter on the file that was just edited. Prettier for JavaScript, black for Python, goth for Go. Every edit Claude makes ends up in the correct style automatically. You never think about formatting again. My 3 go-to hooks are auto-formatter on edit, auto-linter on write, and a Slack notification hook on session end for long-running tasks. Auto-formatter keeps style consistent. Auto-linter catches obvious mistakes before they compound.
Slack notification lets me kick off a big refactor and step away. I get pinged when it is done.
Hooks are configured in your Claude Code settings file.
Each hook has a matcher that says which tools trigger it and a command that runs when triggered.
The command receives context on sdin, a JSON blob describing what Claude was about to do. Your script returns an exit code and optionally modifies the tool call. Hooks are a hammer.
They shine for repeatable, deterministic actions like formatting or linting. They are the wrong tool for logic that depends on nuance. Do not try to write a hook that decides whether Claude should refactor a function. Use hooks for mechanical steps, and let Claude handle the judgment calls.
When a hook does not behave as expected, the first check is sdin.
Log the JSON blob to a file so you can see exactly what Claude passed you.
The second check is exit codes. Non-zero blocks the tool call, 0 allows it.
The third check is the matcher. A typo in the tool name silently disables the hook.
These 3 checks solve most hook bugs I have seen. Hooks are underrated because most people never turn them on. Try one auto format on edit for a week. You will find 3 more you want by the end of it.
Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives, and I will see you in the next one.